is possible to use a number of different microscope objectives. If you switch between objectives, please don't forget to update the whiteboard simply by taking the magnetic tag and placing it on whichever objective you've left inside the microscope for others to use. Another mechanism for checking is to look inside the microscope box. The box has been labeled with the respective objectives, and so to verify which objective is inside, simply look for the empty box and check what the label is. So in this case it's the 100x objective. It's possible to switch the objectives in the LV200, however it requires a little more involved operation. It requires a receptacle to be taken out, unscrewed, which I'll walk you through in a little bit, screwing the correct objective, and then closing it all up again. In this section I will show you how to change the objectives for the LV200. The first step is to identify the objective that you want to use. So let's say I'll pick one out at random for now. I wanted to use the 40x 0.60 numerical aperture objective. So I can pair it up over here. So this is U plan, LUCPLAN. So that means this is oil. This is free air. This is not oil immersion. So you can unscrew it, just keep it for easy access down here. Open up the lid, again, be very gentle, all the way to the back so it locks. Take off the top lid, hang it gently to the side, don't forget to replace it. And I'm going to point this out at the start and at the end. There are two wires, a black and a green wire, that come out of the side of this receptacle. They need to fit underneath the notch that's directly below this green tab. If you do not place them properly and you screw in the receptacle, then you stand a good chance of snapping the wires and losing heating for your experiment. So I advise you to be careful. Unscrew the receptacle by choosing the Allen wrenches that should be lying over here. Please leave them in this place. So unscrew all 4 screws. There are 4 of them. And gently remove the receptacle and place it to the side. You now have access by removing this base plate. You now have access to the objective. The objective does have a heating pad around it. It's safe, so simply remove the heating tab. Keep it somewhere accessible. Unscrew your objective. Place it in the correct container. So this one says 100x U-plan APO, and that's what we got out, 100x U-plan. It's also on the side, 100x UPLAN. So please be nice with the objectives. Take the objective that you want to use, screw it in, reset the heating. You might want to lower down the objective a little bit. Replace the base plate. Replace the receptacle. And Again, be careful with the wires underneath the green groove. Sorry, the green tab. So, find the right screws. Screw it in. I'm only going to do it partially right now. So make sure that the wires aren't trapped. Replace the lid. Close the lid of the LV200. And make sure to mark what you just put in there.